Alright, so I'm going to teach y'all a little bit of a lesson here when putting a solenoid on. Okay, so there's an S and an I on these. As y'all can see there. I always use that as a reference. Put the S, the red on the S side on the long ones. And then y'all don't forget to put these on. They're a lifesaver. Okay, so I'm gonna set y'all back up over here and finish putting everything back on. And then y'all get to hopefully hear it run. Had to hide my stuff. And y'all don't over tighten these, because if y'all do, that's the number one easiest way to break something. I'll show y'all a little walk around to the truck here in a minute once I finish this right here up. Alright, and then the negative always hook up to the opposites, which is kind of stupid here, but always hook up the negative to the opposite side on the eye on the big stud, because positive negative. I've messed up and put them on the wrong side before, and it's not a very fun time. And always unhook the battery before y'all take the old one off, or y'all will have a spark show and could get hurt. Okay, this is the confusing part. If you don't know what you're doing, because you could mess up and put something, the wrong stuff, the wrong spot. I thought there was more wires that went with it. Okay, now, so